Squats are considered a fundamental exercise in the world of bodybuilding and fitness and have many benefits. Here are some important benefits of squats. Muscle strength and endurance. Squats help to strengthen the abdominal, glutes and lower back muscles in particular. By practicing squats regularly, you can maintain these muscles and increase your overall body weight, improve body balance and coordination. Squat exercises strengthen the core of your body while coordinating your balance. This allows for better balance and control in daily activities and sports performance. Increases metabolic rate. Exercises with large muscle groups, such as squats, can speed up your metabolism. Regular squats can increase fat burning and help with weight control. Increases joint flexibility and range of motion. Squatting exercises strengthen areas such as the hips, knees and ankles. This can help you have a greater range of motion in daily movements and sports activities, improving bone health and density. Squat exercises strengthen the bones. This leads to an increased risk of bone diseases such as osteoporosis. Cardiorespiratory system enhancement. Squat exercises can also strengthen your cardiorespiratory system with high intensity and proper form. This can protect your overall health while enriching your heart and lungs, helping with daily functions. Squat exercises can help you perform better in activities of daily living. For example, movements such as lifting, bending and carrying require strong muscles and lower back health. Improving posture. Squats can help align and support your body in the right way. This can correct poor posture and reduce back pain. Increases growth hormone secretion. Squat exercises that develop large muscle groups can increase growth hormone secretion. This helps to preserve muscles and can improve overall body contours. Improving mental health. Exercise generally reduces stress and increases the release of endorphins. Squats also do this and improve overall mental health. Anti-aging. Strong muscles and glutes are important for staying young and slowing down the aging process. Squats are the bit that protects us against the risk of falls and fractures in old age. Targeting multiple muscle groups. Squat exercises involve working many different muscles at the same time. This ensures balance and proportional development in the body. Squats effectively work not only the leg muscles, but also the glutes, lower back, abdominals and back muscles, increasing daily energy levels. By practicing squats regularly, you can increase your overall energy levels. When you have a stronger and more resilient buildup, you are more likely to perform daily activities more effectively. Improving sports performance. Squats are an important exercise to improve performance in many sports, especially in sports such as soccer, basketball, and volleyball. It provides the basis for speed, explosive powers, and dynamic physical movements. Calorie burning. Exercising large muscle groups, such as squats, can burn calories in an intense way. This can help achieve weight control or weight maintenance. Improving heart health. Squat exercises can increase the scope of the heartbeat and improve the health of the injured. At regular intervals, the cardiovascular system works more efficiently. Blood options increase and heart health is strengthened. Strengthening the immune system. Exercise can strengthen the structure of the system and increase its resistance to common diseases. Squats can also be useful in this context, as they strengthen the body and increase metabolism, slow down the aging process. Weightlifting exercises such as squats can slow down the aging process. It reduces the signs of aging by increasing muscle data, protecting and growing bone fragments, reducing injury risk. Squat exercises strongly stabilize the risk of injury in the body, especially by strengthening the leg and waist muscles. It reduces the risk of injury that may occur during sports and daily activities. Boosts self-confidence. Squat exercises can provide a strong body and a better appearance. This, in turn, can increase productivity and boost overall self-confidence. After 1 month of squatting, we saw together where squats can be useful. I recommend you to do this exercise constantly, as you will make a serious change. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like it. See you in the next video. Bye.